Artwork Fly.
Welcome to Artwork Fly Pocket Drive, cheap yet creative ways to make art and be inspired. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Artwork Fly Pocket Drive, cheap yet creative ways to make art and be inspired. Today I'm going to show you ways that you can make a romantic anniversary or date night using just whatever you have around about your house, or if you're on a low budget. This video was done during the lockdown, so it was outside on my veranda. Before I show you all the tips and tricks of everything, I'm going to show you what I did to reach to that point. Alright, so let's get into the video.
This is an old baby food can that I spray painted with silver spray. These are some baby food containers that I've been using as candle holders, and I spray painted it silver lightly.
So that is what I did to create some of the decorations on the table. Okay, so of course you have to make a romantic dinner. So what I did was to cook the foods that we love to eat and set it up nicely on the table.
If you want to see how I made my rice and peas, click the link above.
The food was done, it was time to get ready and look the best, to actually feel the vibes or to feel the mood. So put on your best clothes, put on your face, do your hair, whatsoever it may be. Take a look at this clip of what I did. Because I'm not going anywhere anyways. Just outside. And that's it. So I'm all ready for my date night. We grabbed our dinner and went outside to a very romantic setting. Check the clip here. Okay, so this is the DIY dinner setting, my anniversary, 4th anniversary DIY dinner setting. So this in here, I have some questions, the candles, glasses, glass with water, this one is a glass with rose. This one here is actually a water bottle that I put some glitter wrap around it. I made this roses out of paper. This is a little gift box. So you will see how I made this gift box out of Cartis paper, how I made these flowers out of Cartis paper, water, and this is a can, baby feeding can. I did not want to buy the most expensive wine or whatever. We liked Malta, so Malta it is. Some lovely music was playing in the background, so you can always play those music to get the mood going. We have the cake. The cake was well done. The chocolate, our favorite chocolate, is here, and I made some sweet carrot for myself. Okay, so this is the dinner. You have lettuce, tomato, festival, baked chicken, plantain, pasta, and potato salad. So that's our date night dinner. It's more than what you can get at the restaurant. A Jamaican dish right there that you could probably do on your romantic dinner. Or if you want to go fancy and do shrimp, lobster, fine, but remember you're on a budget. Remember you're on a budget. Up here I have some lights and a little backdrop. Yes, so that's the 4th anniversary quarantine date night dinner setting. So on that table there, let me just explain a bit more. You can see this container. This container here was a water bottle, and I spray painted it silver. Then I wrapped crystal cloth around it. I'm not sure what's the name of it, to make it look more presentable. This right here gift box made out of cartridge paper. You can watch this video here to see how I made this. And after I made it, I spray painted it gold and put my gift in it. This rose that you saw on the table is a bit torn right now because I wanted to make this video for a while, but it has been sitting there for days and days and days, so now it's like that. So what I use to make this are actually pencil crayons, and then I wrapped it with stem tape. If you don't have a stem tape, you can always use a regular tape. This is called a stem tape. So I wrapped each of them individually with stem tape, and then I glue them together. Now the rose is pretty easy to make. So all you need to do is, let me just remove these, then you
What you need to do is to draw a spiral from large in the center and gradually get smaller as you go out.
open this rose here so you can literally see what I did. So I use hot glue here to keep it together. So I'm going to pull it off. So here is the bottom. So this part broke off, but it was basically getting smaller at the end. So from small to large. Also on the table, I kept saying glass in the clip, but it's actually plastic. It's dirty right now because it has been everywhere. Plastic champagne glass with a rose in it. In rose, then I just stick it inside. Then I made the leaf and use hot glue to glue it on. Also on the table was a black cloth with words on it or notes on it. Well,
It was actually a strip of black cartridge paper with words on it.
you can use whiteout or white pencil corrector, whatever you want to call it, or white pencil crayon. I use white pencil crayon on mine. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. So if you're thinking about creating a romantic date night or anniversary dinner night on a low budget, or you just want to create that special moment for your friend or your spouse, or just have a little fun outside dinner, that is one idea that you can use. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.